The press-fit automated assembly cell project was sponsored by Autocam Medical and engineered by GVSU's Senior Project Team 3. Autocam Medical is contracted to manufacture a handpiece used in cataract eye surgery. This handpiece consists of many subassemblies, including the sensor housing subassembly and the endcap subassembly. Both of these parts are manufactured with an interference fit and must be pressed together before the weld operation. Currently, Autocam Medical has one operator spend approximately 10 hours per week manually pressing these subassemblies together using an arbor press, which is a meticulous, monotonous, and time-consuming process. Therefore, we were given the task of building a machine to automate the press-fit assembly of these parts. There are 5 different sets of mating parts that our machine should be able to handle: the sensor housing subassembly and 4 different versions or part families of the endcap subassembly. The key specifications desired by Autocam Medical for this assembly cell were that it be able to preload mating parts for at least 100 assemblies, have a cycle time of 60 seconds or less for a single assembly, have a changeover time between part families of 5 minutes or less, have the ability to press to the correct depth for each subassembly as they each have different callouts on their prints, and be able to pass a capability study of 30 parts with a CPK of 1.33 or better for the sensor housing subassembly and one of the endcap subassemblies. Our automated assembly cell consists of a 3 by 5 foot vention enclosure with plexiglass panels so that the moving parts of the machine are completely contained during operation. Mechanically, we chose to use a 3-axis gantry system, tooled grippers, a servo electric press, and custom part fixturing to automate the pressing operation. The automated assembly cell is controlled by an Allen Bradley PLC and receives operator input from an HMI. The parts are preloaded by an operator into the appropriate custom trays for the set of mating parts. After loading the parts, the operator will set the appropriate program using the HMI. Once the operator sets the program on the HMI, the gantry system will pick up the female part with its first pair of grippers. Then, the gantry will move to pick up one male part with its second set of grippers. The gantry will then move both parts to the designated press location and place them onto the press fixture, placing the female part first and then the male. The press fixture resides beneath the press and is what is responsible for aligning the parts before the pressing operation. The servo electric press will then perform the press operation. The gantry will pick up the mated pair with its first set of grippers and move it back to the original location of the female part. This process is repeated for however many parts the operator loaded, with the maximum capacity of the machine being 120 part pairs.